What's good, y'all? It's your boy Bolas, and I'm back with another vlog. You feel me? And I'm at work with it. So, fuck. Good thing about it, it's in the car. Hold on, I'll be back. And I got the chest strap finally. So we gonna. Just like this. Wrap it around. Hopefully everything's straight. Yeah, that's good right there. Put the big hole in there. I ain't think y'all got the chest strap. See how this shit work out. Gucci. Alright. Put the sweater back on. It's just a little chilly. Put it like this. Zip y'all up. We got a faucet. So we got 3 bathrooms, well 2 bathrooms and a half, because the bathroom at the bottom doesn't have a fucking shower. So here's the faucet. How many fucking faucets this house has, bro? So I know one's from here. I'm gonna take all these upstairs just in case we need them next time. But I'm pretty sure it's 3 faucets upstairs. Got to man. I'm gonna do a dirty box too. I'll be back. I'm gonna do this. Never mind that. Got the water heater. It's in the way now. They don't know all that. To the kitchen. How are we looking under here? Alright. Let's see the things there's gonna be 3 of these. I'm guessing this is for the water heater. I don't know. So this is one here. Water heater. 35. 15. Wait, why the fuck do we got these and these plastic ones? I don't get it. Alright, then y'all go to second floor. And then we head to the, what is this, master room. And then, alright, then y'all saw, Pop said it was good, so I think, take this one off. I'm gonna need these gloves for later, but I have them. We need one more 90. We need one more 90, y'all. One more 90, y'all. Come on. Fuck this shit. Take this one pot. Glue. All right. So now we put this one right here, and we measure it. So like right there. Yeah. There you go. That's how we do it. So now, start off like this. Here we do everything now. That's close. Put it up here. Hella shaking, bro. Look at my shaking, bro. Grab this one. This one like this. Put some on this end. Some right here. This end. Put it like that. Okay. Looking good. Let me take this one out. right here. Here. Yeah. Yeah. That's how we do a water heater, my boys. Tankless water heater. For that ass. Call me up 702-209-6417. You feel me? Instagram elbolas.01. Hit me up. Your plumbing needs, dog. Connect it. Where's that little shit I just threw on the ground? Anyways, we lost it. Right there. Now we grab our installation. Bro, I'm low-key proud of myself, bro. This is my fault. I asked for a little help, but other than that, it's me right here. This me right here. I do this shit. Let me go grab some zip ties. This motherfucker not functioning. Oh, man. Okay, let me go grab some zip ties. Give me some right here. Yeah, y'all stay tuned for the next clip. Hopefully that shit did not go. Oh, fuck, okay now. On to the music. B-roll. We active. Welcome back to the next clip, y'all. Your boy just finished work. Yo, currently 3:34. I kind of took long, I'm not gonna lie. I know I can do better than that. Finished a whole little apartment by myself though. Kind of proud because I did everything, like everything. That shit. From water heater to bathrooms, the kitchen. Y'all let me know if y'all need plumbing work, any plumbing service in Vegas. Hit me up. Hit my Instagram right here. You feel me? Nah, but yeah, if y'all need any work, hit me up. My pops does plumbing work. He does drywall work too. So if y'all need any work in Vegas, North Las Vegas, Henderson, Summerlin, hit me up. Hit your boys up, and we got you. You feel me? But yeah, leaving the fucking site. We gone. Fucking tired. Fuck, man.